Hello, I am news reporter from Monkey Bar News. Congratulations, you have achieved great success. You got 96 percentage,
Hmm.
and you came in first Coca Award. So we came here to take your interview. Uh, can you cooperate us?
Yes, why not? Sure.
Cooperate
And
us?
it's my pleasure that you came here, and it's a very big thing that you will take my interview. It's my pleasure. So you continue your question.
Okay. My first question is, which is your next goal?
Okay. First, I will complete my HSC, and afterward, I will complete my graduation. And with graduation, I will keep continue my CA study. I will keep continue my CA course.
Okay. Next, which side will you take?
Okay, as I told you before, I want to become a CA. So definitely I will take commerce side.
Okay. Had you expected this mark?
Yes, I had expected, but I my expectation is that I will I will get above 99%. But let it be, I will achieve in HSC. I will achieve in 12th. So definitely I will get in 12th above 99%.
Okay. Who motivated you to achieve this success?
Okay, actually, my teachers always motivate me as well as my parents, and also I read daily motivational books, and also I watch daily motivational videos. So, from these all sources, I get motivation.
Okay. How do you achieving? How do you how do you feel after achieving this success?
Okay, I felt very good, very joyful. Actually, yesterday result declare, and since yesterday, my guests, relatives also my family members congrats to me, and like you, other news channel means other news reporter came to take my interview, so they clicked photo with me and also with my family members, so I felt very joyful.
Okay. How many hours or how many hours were you studying in a day?
Okay, I was studying in a day 7 8 hours.
Okay. What message would you like to give school students?
Okay, I would like to give school students that study well, study hard, achieve your success, and be successful person in your life. And you have to make time management. How many hours should you give to study? How many hours should you give for playing? Also, how many hours should you give to your passion? And you have to follow passion. Passion is very important in your life. So that message I would like to give to students.
Okay. Thank you for giving your precious time.
Wait. Actually, I thankful for you because you came here to take my interview. You came here to appreciate me. So I cordially thank you, and nice to meet you. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Bye.